Hi. So we have to take into account how we animate. For example, I can double click on this and make it into a background. And then I can create the color I want. I select this first, and then once I select this, then I go to the color, the object, the shape I want, and then I select that. And then if I want to do the ground again, I can go in and take, say, this color. So you can use the pen tool, or you can use the fluid brush tool, or the paint, classic paint tool or paint tool. You can use a combination. So we draw a fish. Then you can fill it up. I would convert it into a symbol. So you go to modify, convert to symbol. You can keep it as a graphic symbol, rename it as fish. So if you go to the library, you'll find that there's a symbol called fish. Once you made that, you can select this and delete it because it's already saved. And you can bring it in. You can use the transform tool to make it smaller or bigger. So if I go and undo, you can see that I have created background and the fish. So if we zoom out, you can zoom out like this. And what you can do is you You can literally select this, make it smaller by going to transform tool. So as we have talked about in class, what you can do is you can go to say 100, click on that, and then create a keyframe. And the first thing that you do is you click, hold, and drag it and move it all the way. Same way you click over here and create the keyframe also, because unless you want to see it. So what you see now is that, and it does not do anything, it just jumps over there. So what you have to do is do a right click, and you don't need to tween this, but if you just want to be on the safe. So basically what you're seeing here is a fish going across. Now if you want to tween it further, you can click on and create a keyframe. You create a keyframe here. Make sure you're on the right layer. You create a keyframe here, and you can click on this and bring this down. So if you rewind, if you double click on this and you play it, you can see that it goes from the bottom. So this is the main concept, and in onion skinning you'll find more of this example. So the way you do onion skin, you click on this and you extend this. So if you look at it, you can also move on. You can deactivate onion skin. This is the main basic concept. You can keep on different layers. So on this layer, what you can do is you can go to create new symbol, bubble, you can keep it graphics. So this goes into your symbol mode, and in graphic you don't need to do any animation or anything. All you have to do is create a bubble. So this becomes your bubble, and so once you've done that, you have to click in this arrow here to make this into a symbol. So you go to the library and you see bubble there. So you can literally bring it, transform it. So once you're done the animation, you can press Control Return or Command Return, and that will make your movie. Hope this helps. Thank you.